Costco sells all kinds of things, along with massive packs of toilet paper and chicken cutlets. You can also buy gold bars. As Lestrette reports, that's led to a modern-day gold rush.
Hey friends, listen up. Something strange is happening at Costco Canada. And if you're someone who's even remotely interested in precious metals, you're going to want to hear this. But before we dive into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've noticed any out of the ordinary changes at your local Costco. And please, share this video with someone if you know they're interested about price inflation and supply chain issues. So Costco has just added new restrictions on gold bar purchases. And while that may not seem like a big deal, it's a sign that it's in high demand. I want to show you what it was worth just 12 months ago and what it's worth right now. Thanks for tuning in. I am the Vancouver Costco Junkie. And today I'm going to cover one of my favorite topics, gold and silver. Please remember that none of this is financial advice, but I just want to spread the word about something I think more people should be thinking about. So let's get into it. As you can see here, the spot price of gold is currently just over $3,700 per ounce, priced in US dollars. Just 12 months ago, the price was $2,600 per ounce. That's a 42% gain since then. If you go back 2 years ago, the price was $1,900 per ounce. That's a 95% gain over 2 years. That's huge. If you missed that run, fear not. I know there's so much information out there to know, but I want to share 2 facts with you that can show you there is still room to run if you're willing to hold it as a long-term investment. This first chart shows you that central banks all over the world are starting to hold on to more gold than even US treasuries, and that ratio is still near the bottom. They're going to continue to buy for a long time. For the next point, watch this short clip about this financial expert, Jeffrey Gunlock, telling investors that even up to a 25% gold allocation in their portfolio isn't excessive.
I've often asked you as well, what does the perfect portfolio for the moment feel like? Have you been thinking more about that lately, and how would you answer that for our viewers who are thinking the same thing?
Yeah, I really haven't changed very much. I'm still think gold serves a purpose in portfolios. It's at a high level on a short-term basis, but the momentum is remarkable. I love it when a market goes up a lot and then instead of correcting, goes sideways for a while. And that's what gold did. It got up to about 3,300 and then it consolidated there, and now it's on up leg. I still think a 25% type of weighting in portfolios of gold is not excessive. I think that...
Really? 1/4 of one's portfolio in gold?
Yeah, I think it's not excessive because I think that is an insurance policy, and it's in a winning mode because of the weaker dollar, and I believe that's going to continue.
25% is a lot. Most investors don't have any gold at all. So moving from virtually 0% up to 25% is massive when you're talking to millions of people all over the world. This isn't to say that the price won't ever come down. Maybe the price will dip. And if it does, then don't wait too long because this market is expected to rise for years to come. Take a look at this. Costco is all sold out of gold bars. Right now, even if you wanted to buy any from Costco, you won't find it there. It's all sold out. There are new restrictions at Costco, and these new restrictions didn't just appear out of nowhere. For months now, gold bars have been selling out within minutes of being restocked online. People are clearly buying, and Costco knows it. Costco Canada has been limiting gold bar purchases to 1 transaction per 4 days, with a maximum of 2 bars per transaction. So that's 2 bars every 96 hours per Costco.ca account. Take a listen to this from April of 2024, when the gold craze at Costco was just getting started.
Costco sells all kinds of things, along with massive packs of toilet paper and chicken cutlets. You can also buy gold bars. As Lestrette reports, that's led to a modern-day gold rush.
There's a gold rush at Costco. Along with jumbo packs of paper towels and giant piles of pants, the superstore actually sells 1-ounce gold ingots like this one. Now, Wells Fargo is reporting that Costco is selling as much as $200 million worth of gold bars every month. Costco started selling the gold bars last August. Right now, this store in New Jersey is completely sold out. But if you can get your hands on one, they go for about $2,300 a bar. Demand is so high, there's actually a limit of 5 per customer.
I got this 1-ounce gold bar from Costco. Yes, that's right. Costco even sells gold bars.
Personal finance advisor Humphrey Yang went to Costco thinking he would only buy a $2 snack.
I ended up buying a gold bar for $23.59, so it's just kind of funny.
But is gold a good investment?
Gold is historically a hedge against inflation. Americans are very worried at home, which is probably one of the reasons they're at Costco to begin with.
If you've ever tried to buy gold through Costco, or you've seen it go live, then disappear in minutes, drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's happening across the country. If you still wanted to buy some, you can actually go to Metrotown and pick up some from VBCE, that's the Vancouver Bullion Currency Exchange. Take a look. They are in stock there, and they even have silver too. I personally love silver and own more silver than I do gold because it's still affordable and expected to rise even faster than gold. So if buying an ounce of gold is too expensive at these prices, take a look at silver. It's something that's been taking off, and I think it will also go a lot higher as well. Comment below if you're interested in more of my opinions on where this market is going. I definitely have my own thoughts to where the prices are going, and it's much higher. And again, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's watching gold or the general stock market right now. Let's get this info circulating. Thanks for joining me. I am the Vancouver Costco Junkie, signing off. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.